Imagine that you want a mug and you can go online and the next day, it's at your house. Or a book, or a t-shirt, or a whiteboard. Well, Amazon changed how we shop today. Let's talk about how Amazon changed everything about how we shop today. Hello everyone, and welcome back to English on Autopilot. And today we're talking about another giant American company. In our first video, we talked about McDonald's. And today we're talking about shopping, online shopping. Amazon has changed everything. 30 years ago, the idea of shopping online and the next day getting your package was like science fiction. It was like the idea of aliens delivering you a package. An alien bringing you a package. It was crazy. But how did this company become today such a giant company? Well, let's start at the beginning, before the aliens. The creator of Amazon is Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos. And Jeff Bezos kinda looks like an alien. Look. A little bit like an alien. And his idea was even more alien. In the year 1994, Jeff Bezos was working on Wall Street in New York City. And one day, Jeff was drinking a cup of coffee. He was drinking his coffee and reading an article, reading a news article. And Jeff read that the amount of internet usage, the amount we use the internet was increasing, was going up, was increasing by 2,300% every year. Every year. It was increasing a ton. And this article gave Jeff an idea. It gave Jeff, who doesn't have hair, he is bald. It gave Jeff an idea. Jeff quit his job on Wall Street, where he was making a ton of money. Jeff was making a lot of money, and he quit. He said, no more. Jeff Bezos quit his job. He got in his car. He got in his car and he drove. He drove all the way across the United States to start a new business. Can you guess what business that was? He started Amazon, Amazon.com. But in 1994, Amazon didn't sell whiteboards. No, it didn't sell markers or microphones or glasses or t-shirts. No, it only sold one type of thing. It sold books and only books. But Jeff knew that he would start with books and expand and grow. Jeff was working in a garage where you park the car. He was working in the garage on Amazon.com. He was working and selling books. And it started to work. It started to make, of course, a little, not a lot. It started to make a little bit of money. With that money, Jeff grew Amazon. Amazon sold books and DVDs where you could watch movies and CDs where you could listen to music and some toys. And little by little, Amazon kept getting bigger. Then in the year 2000, Amazon they showed everyone a new logo that was a smile that went under the word Amazon. It went under. And if you look, the arrow, because the smile is like an arrow, right? It starts with A and it points to the Z. Because Jeff, he said that Amazon will sell everything from A to Z. Everything you can think of. Another big idea Jeff had was allowing we people who bought things in Amazon could leave a review. Like I bought this whiteboard on Amazon, and I can go on Amazon and say, I like this whiteboard. I can give it 5 stars. 5 stars, and write a review. I can say, this whiteboard is very big. It erases very well. It erases very well. It's easy to write, and I can write that under my 5-star rating. And this allowed customers to know if a product was good or not. And it changed online shopping forever, thanks to Jeff Bezos. And Amazon kept getting bigger. And remember how I said, if you buy something on Amazon, it can be there the next day. Well, in 2005, Jeff and Amazon released Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime, which is the fast shipping, the way your package gets to you quickly. And today, you can listen to music if you have Prime and watch movies at home. Not just fast shipping your packages, getting there quickly. No, you also can watch movies and listen to good music. It's a good deal. Also, Jeff and Amazon released Alexa. Alexa is a robot assistant. Not a human. No, she is a robot who can help you. You can say, "Hey, Alexa," and ask a question, and she will respond. She will respond. Oh, and Alexa is a girl. So, she has long, beautiful hair. No, she looks like this. But Amazon also made a lot of money. Same with their Kindle, where you can read books that are on an e-reader, which are very useful. I love my e-reader. Oh, the Kindle is great, especially if you want to read in English. It's great. And now Amazon delivers your packages with drones flying in the air. Wow. Jeff started this idea in a garage. And now more than 1 million people, they work for Amazon across the world. 1 million people. That's crazy. And Jeff Bezos, in the past was the richest man, the man with the most money in the entire world. But today he is not. And there are some negatives about Amazon. People don't like how the employees are treated. The conditions. The employees work a lot and they don't make a lot of money. Even though Jeff, he has a lot of money. Also, shipping the packages, whether it's in a car or in a plane or in the ocean on a boat, is very bad for the world, for the environment. And with climate change, people are upset at Amazon because of all the shipping. But what started in a garage has changed the world forever. Forever. Now, we cannot think of a world without Amazon and Amazon Prime and my Kindle. Oh, I love my Kindle. Have you purchased something on Amazon? Tell me in the comments below. What do you think about Amazon? Do you like the company or do you not like it? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to keep watching more videos of comprehensible input right here with English on Autopilot. And we will see each other in the next video. Bye. Hi everyone. This is not going to be in the video.